Okay, sa laing bahin po Attorney Kluma, unsa po'y panglantaw nimo kay init po ang issue sa impeachment kang VP Sara kay naingon man gud ang House Committee on Justice nga labing dugay 2 months lang kuno ang pagdungog sa impeachment batok ang VP Sara Duterte. Unsay tan-aw nimo diri sa allegation batok ang VP Sara, Attorney Kluma, sir?
Well, I think the majority is poised to convict Sara.
Yes.
And no likelihood.
Mm.
Not because they have viewed Sara as guilty
Mm.
of the allegations heaped against her,
Mm.
but because they have politically viewed the impeachment proceedings as a way of removing, eliminating their strongest enemy in the 2028 presidential elections.
Mm.
So I think they're poised to convict Sara.
Mm.
Okay, makita na to, no? Lata naman kayo bumbuluwi, no?
Yes.
Naigamay nga nganong mag-focus gud tani anang 125 million
Oh.
nga confidence fund, no? No. We agree that is worth investigating.
Yes.
But there are issues, no, hounding the administration involving billions.
Yes.
Billions of funds being corrupted, being taken away by politicians.
Tama.
Yet they are not being investigated.
Mm.
No? We have seen throughout the halls of Congress, in the halls of the Senate, no? Their investigation is selective. Their sense of justice is selective.
Mm.
That's why I am fully convinced that they're gonna do everything in order to eliminate their enemy in the 2020 election.
Mm.
For one reason, because they would like also to escape liability, accountability in the
Yes.
future.
Mm.
Because we know very much nga kung lahi ang makalingkod, no, dili na kalyado makalingkod, kini sila tanan sigurado pag-imbestigahan yun
Mm.
sa mga billions nga nawala sa gobyerno.
Tama.
Kay garapalan, no.
Mm.
Okay, tungkol ako, I would totally agree with Attorney Levy Baligod when he said, no, na usa ka tawo nga nisumbong nga naay kawatan.
Mm.
Oh. Ang kuan naay kawatan. Ang katapusan sa istorya, ang kawatan mao pay ni file og kaso sa nisumbong.
Mm.
Mao na to sitwasyon karon. Munang dili po nato mas mabasol ngano ato mga kaigsuonan nga adunay nabalaan kabahin sa dili maayo mga binuhatan, mahadlok pud mo gawas.
Yes.
Because although wala ta sa kuan sa state of martial law, but we feel the repression. Repression of the truth. No? We have sensed ang pagtabon sa kamatuoran. Muna makita na lang nato ang mga reaction nila sa kuan sa Facebook, sa social media. No? We can sense and we can see
Tama.
the disappointment, no, of the Filipino people.